Hey guys.
Hi YouTube.
Today we are going to talk about the 5 things you need to know about Oatman, Arizona. So, we went to Oatman, Arizona while we were staying at Telephone Cove.
Yes.
It's
a neat little town.
It's not like at the top 10 of our list, but it's not at the top 1 either. Bottom 1. That would be bottom.
I really enjoyed it. So.
It was really, it was cool. But you need to go there to look at donkeys, because the rest is nothing but a tourist trap. It's a small town.
Yes.
It's an old mining town that actually went abandoned, and then abandoned. Is that right?
It was abandoned.
It was abandoned.
Mm-hmm.
And then they brought it back and made it what it is now. There's still mines in the area, but nothing like it was back then.
Right.
But anyways, there are donkeys there. There's donkeys before you get there. There's donkeys in the town, and there's donkeys after you get out of the town.
There are wild burros everywhere.
But this is what you need to know. What's number 1?
You cannot bring carrots and apples for treats for the donkeys.
Why can't you?
Well, because they have a high natural sugar in them, and it makes them aggressive.
Makes them aggressive.
At least what they told us there in the town. So I'm assuming that they would know. They live there with them all the time. However, you can buy hay cubes and feed the donkeys.
So that's number 1. No carrots, no apples. Even though people still doing it, don't do it. Number 2.
Don't leave your vehicle unattended with a window or a window down or a door open.
We was in the vehicle that this happened to, and I'll throw the footage in here. Thankfully, what this donkey grabbed was not a check. She was joking to her husband. It wasn't a check. But it very well could have been. You know, you get out, because we was on the side of the road coming in to town, and we pulled over because it was the first sightings of donkeys we seen, so everybody's excited that you jump out of the vehicle, the doors are open. This one donkey just walked right on over and looked to see what was in there and grabbed a piece of paper that was on the seat, and like I said, it was nothing.
Right.
But he ate it like that.
It was gone.
There was no grabbing it.
There was no grabbing it.
It was gone. So, shut your doors.
Yeah.
Number 3.
Remember, they're wild animals and can act unexpectedly.
Very fast. As you'll see in this footage, this is 2 guys. I'm assuming are males. But all of a sudden, we're standing there, and you could hear people hollering prior to me turning the camera on. Yeah. So I turned the camera on. And they started fighting in the streets. Yeah. They ran over to the sidewalk where all the businesses are and ran down the sidewalk for a short spell in between the buildings and the cars, and then shot out. As soon as there was an opening, they shot out and went over, and you'll watch it. But
I'm assuming they would have run over people if they'd been on the
guarantee they would. They was fighting, and they didn't care you was there. They are wild animals. These aren't pets. You can walk up and pet them, but they are still wild animals.
Yes.
Are we on 4?
We're on 4.
4.
Watch where you're walking.
There's doo-doo everywhere.
Doo-doo everywhere.
Doo-doo everywhere. These little guys will get up. They walk in the streets. They're licking your car.
We saw them licking somebody's car.
They get up on the sidewalks by the stores. They stick their heads in the store entrances. I mean,
we got some footage of that too.
Pictures, yeah. Pictures. It's cool. It is cool, but you have to be aware of them as much as anything because they're wild animals.
Yeah.
But it's neat. And 5.
Get there early.
Yes.
The parking is limited, and absolutely do not bring big rigs in there.
Not saying you can't bring a big rig in. We got there 0.30. It was early when we got there. There was plenty of parking in this one little parking spot they have. Mm-hmm. But when we left, there was guys trying to come in Class A's.
Yes.
And they was getting stuck in the parking lot. I didn't film it, but they was getting stuck in the parking lot. a small B or a small C, you might be all right.
Maybe.
Don't come in there in a Class A with a toad behind it, because you're going to get in this parking lot and unhook and try to get out of it. They are tight, and people park wherever they feel there's room that their vehicle will fit. Not necessarily a spot, because it's just a gravel lot.
Right.
So there's a couple bars in the town. There's one or two restaurants.
Yeah.
And the rest is just touristy stuff. It's cool.
We got t-shirts for $8.
That's part of the touristy stuff. It's cool. Yeah. And they also do, and I'll throw a little bit of that footage in here, they do a cowboy thing, a cowboy shoot 'em up thing.
Yeah, that's really cute.
That's kind of cool, and there's different groups that do it. The group that we got, and I'm not knocking them, but they was the group that I think these guys live in this area, and they fill in when the big groups can't come in.
Right.
But they did an awesome job. They was fun. And they even included Julie in the act. So, and she was smart. She ducked a little.
Anyway, anytime you got a bank full of gold and nobody to guard it, you're going to have bad guys hanging around, and that's us. And it's gunfight time. Yeah. Help me? Sure. Okay, come right out here. You stand right there. Don't move now. They can't hit nothing anyway.
Okay, I'm ready.
You lucky you hit that roof over there. All right, I'm ready.
Oh, wait a minute. You don't get that much help. You don't get that much help.
Not that much help? All right. Well, thanks for trying anyway. All right. I'm ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
You're still standing up.
Oh, you ought to be dead.
I never missed from that far away.
I mean, neither.
It is a really cool town, and we came in from 95 side. So when you're coming up 95 and you head into Oatman that way, that's not bad. But when you leave Oatman and you head towards Kingman, that is a very curvy, hilly road. I seen coaches on it. I think we seen one tractor trailer. It was a single axle coming in for delivery somewhere.
Oh, yeah.
But it is a very tight road.
It is.
But there is some cool scenery along the way.
We saw a white burro on the way out,
Yes.
down in one of the fields.
And that is Route 66.
Yes.
We got pictures of us standing on the road with the Route 66 thing, and we stopped on the way out of town. It's a few miles out. We stopped at a little gas station that's now a touristy place.
No gas.
Yeah, there's no gas there, but at one time it was.
Right.
But they filmed Kevin Van Dam,
I don't know.
one of them action dudes.
Actually, I don't remember seeing gas there at all. Was there gas in Oatman?
No. Just be careful. But Oatman, Arizona, it's really cool.
Yes.
Go see it.
We enjoyed it.
We are down by, right now we're down by Lake Mead.
Yes.
Outside at Overton, Nevada.
Echo Bay.
Echo Bay, and we're going to do a video on that. It's a really sad story about this place.
Yeah.
But that's a few videos down the road. We got to get caught up.
Yeah.
All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching.
Facebook,
Instagram, thumbs up,
thumbs up.
thumbs down, something or another.
See you soon.
We'll see you guys. Thanks for
Bye.
watching. Bye-bye.